Alright guys, we're still trying to get to the bottom of this. Had a suggestion of ironwood, so I did a test piece. Really weird to work with. Let's see what it finishes out like.